I had to make this video because I just found this AI program. I use a lot of AI programs, but this one just blew my mind. And the reason why is if you're making videos, long form videos, and wanting to turn them into shorts, and you're either going through each one of them by yourself, or if you're paying somebody to do it, this may solve all of your problems in how much money that might cost you. So this program is called OPUS CLIP. And they have a free trial. I'm leaving the link below so that you can check it out. And in the free trial, they give you 200 minutes of downloadable videos. And all you have to do is put the link to your video right here. And then you click to upload the file. And then it gives you, it says 10, but on some of mine, I got 15 and 20 short videos ready to go. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's where this particular video, I put my link in and I got 20 different shorts. And what it looks like here is as you scroll down them to edit every single one of them at some level. It's not like a full edit. If you want to do some major editing, you might have to go to one of your editing programs. But in the meantime, you can listen to it, you can preview it. And once you preview it, you can see if you want to change it. Anything happens to me and what to do with it. And you get to say how long the video is that you want to use, and then you get to download it once you make all your edits. But when you're making the edits, just so I could show you real quick, what you're going to do is go in there and see the words that you said and the ones that they've chosen, and you could add a few if you want to change it. If it's misspelled or you want to change the word a little bit, you can. And then it comes up real time where you get to even put your captions, subtitles right here. You can even help with the colors of that. You could add in your logo and have a template for what you want to do for all of your shorts. And I'm telling you, it's going to be a game changer for you. If you get this program, try out the 200 minutes. Download. I downloaded 3 videos, 20 minutes long. I got 10 on one, 15 on another, got 20 on another. So I actually have 45 videos that I'm going to start uploading this week. So I'm recommending you go ahead and you try it. Like I said, it's OPUS CLIP and it's amazing. After using it for the 3 videos, I still had a little bit of time left, but I just went ahead and got the program for a year because it's so affordable. So go ahead and try it. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section. And really, I think it's going to be a wonderful tool that you could use if you're a YouTube creator. Have a great day.